Chief Meteorologist Albert Ramon is in the weather sphere. And Albert, hard to believe it's going to be even hotter tomorrow.
Yeah, low 90s today, mid 90s tomorrow, and it's going to feel even hotter once we factor in the humidity. We're not the only ones dealing with this heat wave. There are heat alerts in place as far south as northern Florida, as far north as the UP of Michigan, even parts of New England and also the Northeast under heat watches for extreme heat expected in that part of the country a little later this week. And it's something we're going to deal with all week long. So here's what we're tracking. Next 2 days, this will be the worst of this heat wave. We're talking about temperatures mid to upper 90s. You factor in the humidity. It's heat indices above 105, and starting tomorrow, a few spots in the southwest suburbs may approach 110 in terms of the heat index. We start to see this ridge of high pressure break just a bit on Thursday. It's going to allow for an isolated thunderstorm to pop up on Thursday. We're still hot in the mid to upper 90s, and thunderstorms that do develop, albeit not widespread, could be strong or severe. Overall, a better chance of some scattered showers and thunderstorms Friday, the 4th of July, on Saturday, and again on Sunday. And we have so much energy that cloud ground lightning is going to be a big threat. Gusty winds is going to be a threat, and we'll have so much moisture atmosphere. There's even a heavy rainfall threat that we're going to be focusing on for the upcoming holiday weekend. More on that in a second. All right, hottest day of the year. It's happening right now, 92 degrees. We're going to say those exact same words 24 hours from now with a high of 96. It feels like 101 here in Chicago. It is hot, it is stuffy, but the dangerous stuff is to come, especially tomorrow and Wednesday. That's when we get into the mid to upper 90s, and we're going to be dealing with heat indices around 315 in this neighborhood, between about 105 and 106 across Chicago, 106 to 110 in the southwest suburbs as we head into tomorrow afternoon. And we're looking at above 105 in many spots with the heat index again on Wednesday and probably even into Thursday. So here's the forecast map for tomorrow. Big ridge of high pressure right on top of us. That's keeping us dry. That's keeping us so hot. And there's a lot in motion here when it comes to moisture. We're talking about moisture coming in from the Gulf, but also unusually wet spring. Parts of our area 300% above normal in terms of precipitation. So really soaking soil, allowing for that elevated amount of moisture and humidity in the atmosphere. Here's the high breaking down just a bit on Thursday. That's that isolated chance of thunderstorms. The high backs up even more Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So a few more scattered showers and thunderstorms in the forecast for the holiday weekend. Weather alerts are posted because we have that cloud ground lightning threat Friday, the 4th of July, and Sunday. And with a ton of moisture around, again, there's some heavy rainfall that's also going to be possible. Not a washout this holiday weekend. Just have an indoor backup plan because it's in the forecast. All right, mid to upper 90s in the forecast the next 3 days, feeling even hotter as we head towards the humidity department. Start to see it break a bit with that chance of strong to severe storms Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Erica, even a week from today, a few thunderstorms will be possible, but at least we're back in the 80s.
Okay, thankful for that.
Yes.
Thank you, Albert.